Hello, welcome back. So in the last lesson, we talked about the anchor link, and you can see that here. So we actually create this link here, cat photos. So this cat photos link, what it does is when you click on this, it's going to link us to this. If you look at the side of this over here, you see that that's the website is going to link us to free cat photo hub.com. So that's where it's going to lead us to. So, and you see that there is a new attribute here called target. So, what target is doing is we give it blank. So, what we're saying is that we want you because if you look at the example we do the other time, when I load this, it load this page, the page exactly the FreeCodeCamp page. It will load in this frame. But what we want is when we click on this, open a new browser, a blank one, and load this, and that is what is exactly that's going to happen, and you can see that from over there. So now that's that about this target blank. There's another type of linking we are going to discuss in this course right here is what we call internal linking. So we are up here and we will see that we have another section here, copyright, and because we use the semantic HTML tag that is called footer. Can you see that here? Good. So imagine we have a user here and I want to just go to the bottom of the page. How can I do that? So, and that is what the internal linking is all about. So I could quickly say, okay, uh, change this to go to bottom. Okay, say that's been changed. And so if, when we are doing internal linking, because we are going to stay on the same page, we don't really need to have the uh, target attributes, and then we just need to change this to this and select that particular element that we are trying to connect to. So the target element we are going to link to is the filter here, so which is a semantic element that is already available for us. Then we can click on this, and you see the so and now, so when you click on this, it doesn't work right now because this attribute, the pound sign here, it's referred to an ID filter, which is not available right now. So what we need to do is go down here and add a new attribute called ID. This filter ID. So this is a global attribute that is unique to this filter. So then when we click on this, that work immediately we are taken to the bottom of the page. And if I scroll up again and click on that, we're taken to the bottom of the page. And that's how that works. So the next thing here is the ID tag. So ID is an attribute here. This ID is an attribute and it's been attached to this particular element. So when you use ID footer, this ID footer can't be used on any other element again because ID actually is like a global uh, variable that is available for a particular element. So if I have like two footer on the page, I will use different ID, like footer one or footer two, something like that to get the gist. So that is what it is. And this selector here is actually an ID selector. When we get to CSS and some other more advanced things, then you understand this better. But you should understand that this is how you select an ID in HTML. So thank you very much. Go ahead and practice with these challenges here. If you have any questions, put it on the comment. Share this video with your friends and colleagues at work that have absolutely beginner experience or are trying to like try out tech and learn how to code. And this will go a long way to help them and be able to like break it down to them in a way that they can easily understand, and then they can easily go to learning the big things later on. So thank you very much, and subscribe and share with friends and family. Thank you.